Well, hello. I thought that I would take you behind the scenes to show you what it looks like in my little home office where I've got my studio and everything set up for podcasting and doing my LinkedIn Live videos and Facebook Live videos. So here I am. You can see behind me is my green screen. Let me just pop over here. All right. So see, the green screen is not so big. When you see me when I'm sitting in front of my computer, which is here, which is just a MacBook Air, it's amazing what you can do with a MacBook Air that's propped up so that the webcam is at eye level when I'm sitting down. And I've got my green screen here, which has a big stand, but all I did was, I thought I'd plonk a couple of nails just in the wall and hang up my green screen. It didn't have a hanging thing, so I sewed a bit of ribbon. And we've got to improvise when we're working from home, don't we? And because I do a lot of podcasting, the past 4 years I've been podcasting Your Career Podcast, I have a very nice microphone. And it's a Blue Yeti microphone. It's got a boom arm so I can move it around as I like. And my husband does laugh at me because he says, oh, it's Alan Jones in the house when I start podcasting, which is kind of fun. But so simple. All I have is my MacBook Air. I've got a Blue Yeti microphone with boom arm. I've lifted up the MacBook Air on, well, it's actually like a box that for bottles. It's an elegant box for bottles, plus a little filing thing. And oh, here's my book. Never miss an opportunity to show you my book. And there's my perpetual year calendar on the side where I've got, you know, all my coaching assignments and training assignments up there. Of course, I've had a few cancelled. The ones that have to be face-to-face have been postponed till after June. Let's see how many months we're actually in self-isolation. But for now, this is where I sit every day doing my work, doing my videos. And because the MacBook is quite close, when I'm sitting down here, then all you see is the green screen and I can change my backgrounds, which is quite good. So this is the setup. Let me show you something else as well. So in my home office, I actually have set it up very nicely so that it feels quite homey. And here is my beautiful girl from Singapore. I love this chest. I've got my aromatherapy candle burning. I've got my books here as well. And oh, I've got so many more books and all sorts of stuff here. My filing cabinet is here. This is another blind that I use if I want to have a black background. Then I pop this up behind the green screen for my black background. And so this is me. And so I just thought I'd take you behind the scenes so that you can see what I do every day. And I hope that you are staying safe, staying well during the coronavirus pandemic. And I will see you again on Facebook soon if you're in my Facebook accountability group. If you're not part of Get Stuff Done Accountability, my private accountability group, then do join me. You'll find me on Facebook, okay? Facebook.com/Jane Career Coach. Come and join the Facebook group as well. Bye now.